Hello there, in this video I want to show you how to record your screen on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Let's get started. And firstly, to find this feature, we'll need to swipe down 2 times from the upper right corner to create the control center. And now we can see this icon screen recorder. Firstly, we can just press and hold it to see its settings. So here we can enable or disable many features and change settings at all. So for example, we can enable show toolbar after capturing or delete after sharing, which is really useful. We can also enable hide status and navigation bars and save original screenshots. After that, you can choose format for your video. We have 2 options here, and you can also change type of folder in which you want to keep your screen recordings. After that, you can select to record with sound only for media or enable microphone as well. And here you can switch to another video quality. So now it is the highest quality and you can switch to the medium, for example. After that, you can also just change the selfie video size. For that, drag the slider right to make it bigger or left to make it smaller. And now here you can see very useful feature to show taps and touches. So if you're making your mom a tutorial on how to use this phone and just adjusting some settings, this feature will be really helpful because she will be able to see on what features and on what tabs you are tapping. And here you can also save screen recordings in and see its folder. And now to make screen recordings, you just need to tap once this icon. Here select sound, for example none, and enable show taps and touches. Now let's start this recording, and after 3 seconds it will be started. Here you can see the time, and now you can pause it or just stop at all. So let's open something, and you can see the touches animation as well. So now let's stop this video, and now it is saved to your gallery. To see it, you just need to open gallery. Here, go in the screenshots or screen recordings, and you will be able to find it right here. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.